In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva design to Wix in just 5 minutes. We'll take you through each step, ensuring the process is as seamless as possible, so let's get started straight away. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you like to use. Once it's open, head over to the search bar and type in Canva. This will bring you to Canva's official website, where you'll find a multitude of design tools and features waiting for you. Go ahead and click on the link to enter the site. If you already have a Canva account, which I presume you do if you're looking to transfer designs, simply log in with your credentials. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're in, navigate through your dashboard to find the specific design you want to move over to your Wix site. When you've located your design, you'll notice a Share button. Click on that. Afterward, look for and click on the More option, indicated by 3 small dots. This will open a menu where you need to select Embed. Now that you are on the Embed page, you'll see an option to copy the HTML embed code. Click on that to copy this code to your clipboard. This code is essential, as it contains all the information needed to replicate your Canva design on your Wix page. Next, let's switch over to your Wix dashboard. Open a new tab or window in your browser and log into Wix. Once in the Wix editor, find and click on the plus Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, select Embed, and from the options, choose either Embed a widget or Embed HTML. Both options work, but make sure to select the one that fits your specific needs or familiarity. In the box that appears, paste the embed code you copied earlier from Canva. Just right-click in the box and hit Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Once pasted, click Apply. This action will automatically embed your Canva design onto the selected space on your Wix site. The beauty of Wix is its flexibility, so you can now adjust the size and position of the embed as needed. Simply click and drag to move it around, and use the handles to resize it to fit perfectly within your web page design. Take a moment to ensure that everything aligns well and appears as desired. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully transferred a design from Canva to Wix. This process not only saves you time, but ensures your designs are visually consistent across platforms. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!